Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix a T dating app not working. Now, if you open up your app and it gets stuck like this, what you need to do is just access your settings and then come here, go to apps, and then click on manage apps. Of course, you need to search up the T app, or you can scroll all the way down to T. You can just search it up for the T app. Okay, so you search here T, you click on it, and then what I want you to do is actually go to storage of this specific app. So hit storage right here, okay? And then I want you to clear the data. So you can clear all data, and I want you to also clear the cache of the T dating app. And once you do that, you can relaunch the app. This usually fix all the minor glitches, and your app should be working. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.